Well, good morning everyone. It's what are we on? 8:05 in the morning, which yesterday would have been 7:05 in the morning. So clocks went forward last night. So we've lost an hour, 1 hour's less sleep. Never mind. We're getting out on the bike. That's a good thing. Oh, that's a nice looking MG. So meeting up with Nick and Steve again this morning. Yes, I know he's from fucking Somerset, but trouble is, if we didn't take pity on him, no bastard would. So today, we are going to go and do the 7 white horses of Wiltshire. We're going to do them all in one day, hopefully. I've got the drone in the top box because, yes, whilst you can park fairly close to them, there is a lot of that, God, what's that horrible thing called? Walking. There's a lot of walking involved to get to them. So what I've done, hopefully I've planned this on roads, that we can see it from the road and park it up. And what we'll try and do is send the drone over to them. See, said I'd be first. A tad early. Never mind, I can adjust my spotlights.
Right, let's see if I'm early or whether anyone else is here.
I can hear you waffling away.
Hello, my darling, how are you? It's Mr. Nige.
Look at that.
Are you going to be doing your rocking horse impression this morning?
I hope not, because I'm in the same spot. Now this sofa comes in tweed. We also do it in faux leather. You cleaned it?
Do you know what? I can't remember. No, I filled up and just left it.
Oh, fucking! I can hear him coming up the road now. Here it is, look. Even if he is from Somerset. Ah, you dress for winter this time. Get in here, because that's not a motorbike spot. You'll get a ticket, they're assholes.
Hang on, boys.
Hang on! Fuck him.
I just had to put a stagger on my car plate.
There we go.
Okay, boys, I'm ready.
Radio.
And I'm
You're
recording.
alright, because this bit's one way.
Why didn't we come out this way last time then?
Follow the yellow brick road. Because we wanted to try that way, didn't I?
It's the only time we and I can be used in the same conversation, isn't it? Correctly. Ah, right.
Yeah, right. And then we're branching left. My left, Steve, not yours.
Let's get some more miles of fun in.
Yeah. Before we even leave fucking Blandford.
Well,
Now,
we've got Lex
Nigel.
Moto next week, haven't we?
We have. Have you got fuel, Nigel?
I've got 130 miles.
So, no is the answer to that then.
Well, I have, but I thought I ain't pulling in the garage just to chuck 6 or 7 quid in it. That's nice.
And yes, Steve, we have got Lex Moto next week.
Yes, we have, yes. Courtesy of Mr. Rev
Jeez.
Bomb.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to forward that email to you, Nige, and then get you to send it to Rev Bomb as well.
I thought you'd sent it to Robert already.
I did.
That's all right. Did he reply or
No.
not? I expect he had a message come up saying this email originated from Somerset.
Yeah,
Open
delete.
at your peril.
Spam.
Look at the fucking state of this
I
road.
know, I came in, it's
terrible, isn't
fucking
it?
awful, isn't it?
Get out the road, you fucking feathered bastard!
See?
Me.
They make such a little effort, don't they? I feel sorry for them when they're dead in the road, but at the same time, it's their own fucking fault, isn't it?
Yeah, they got no fucking road sense, have they?
Pheasants are very much like sheep. They're just looking for another way to die, aren't they?
Right, you fuckers have got to stay a bit closer because it looks like you're miles away on camera.
Right up his backside. There we go. Is that better?
I can see a little flicker in there. Is that Steve?
I'm not answering that. You wait till I get my accessory box. I'm going to have 47 spotlights on the front. And a flat battery.
Are you going Thunderbox?
I am not, no, I'm not going Thunderbox because I found a Switch Live. I am going Oxford.
Oh yeah,
because
it's
it's
cheap.
only 25 quid.
Because it's cheap, you fucking cheapskate bastard.
Well, no, because I got a Switch Live, that's the intelligent bit I don't need to buy, innit?
I'll tell you what,
And it's cheap.
it comes to something when fucking Lord Timu up front here is calling you a cheap bastard.
Anyway, you coming on this live stream tonight? It's for an hour.
Is it?
Just an hour,
1
innit? Yeah.
hour.
Plus or minus 10 minutes.
What's that, 8 or 9?
Yeah. Well, now what else are you going to be doing?
Well, there's a fucking myriad of things, you know.
Yeah, fucking Mary Poppins in the Dungeon of Doom.
Watching the Bingley Wheeler.
You are going to have to come on the live before the tour.
Absolutely,
Yes.
yes.
No, like tonight.
Tonight.
It's a fucking
like
hour.
tonight.
I will.
He's turning right.
I will, yeah, I'll get myself set up when I get in.
I bet he don't.
I was thinking, Nige, could you not put your camera on 2x zoom?
Or
Could I?
Yeah.
have you got it set on wide or
And then we wouldn't have to ride 6 inches away from the number plate.
It's on D-Warp. So, oh look, is that diesel? No. Oh, fucking
Ooh.
hell.
Ooh.
That was slippy. Did you see it?
Yeah.
yeah.
Pothole there. Yeah, that was fucking, somebody spilt diesel there and it's still a bit greasy. And here, look,
Yeah, it's not nice, is it?
right in the middle of the fucking stuff. Shit in the middle as well, look.
Wonderful. You go from diesel on the outside to gravel in the middle.
Yeah.
What more could
Yeah,
you
that
want,
was
eh?
a definite. Did you see my ass end slip out?
I didn't know, but
Not something I ever want to see. Now,
And what brings you to counselling today? Your noise's ass slipped out.
I'm glad. Oh, what was that?
bloody great stone hit me off that van.
Oh.
I'll say how, it hit the side of me lid and made a hell of a noise in me poor little ear.
Yeah, I got a chip on the top of me bonce. You'd have thought you would have heard the stone that did it, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I must have been asleep while it happened.
No diesel on this one by the look of it.
Should fucking hope not. Just a gang of pheasants with baseball bats. Check you out. Oh, there we go.
Ain't fucking sitting behind you.
I am recording.
I can tell you where the diesel is then. Well, this is a 50, look. You're
Jeez.
clear if you want to nip past him a minute. Hang
Why
on.
are we
Wow.
doing 35 then?
Well, there's no coming yet.
Haven't got a brow of a hill to worry about.
No, not yet. I'll find one for you.
I used to trust Nige.
There's a sharp left here with a car coming. And a nasty road surface on the inside line.
Yeah.
How are we looking up
It's
there,
clear.
ladies?
It is
Come on,
clear.
Steve. Now brake like a fucking knob because you're coming into a 30.
I've got dual braking on here.
Fucking hell. Dual braking behind me, hill start in
Yeah.
front of me.
He means he's got a brake pad either side of the disc.
Fucking hell.
That's what he means.
No, I've got some sort of intelligent split system, apparently. That's what it says in the handbook.
Contradiction in terms there. Steve mentioned intelligence.